under drying it, and let's see, play a little something. Scooby-Doo, or the picture representation of the Scooby-Doo, the Scooby. You got the Jasmine? I had to tune it up though. I got in trouble for whistling. I reprimanded and restricted. I said at a certain spot in LA. Okay, anyway, I really should be more serious on everything. Stop laughing. So we start with whistling to the perfect C. As you can see on the piano tuner in the Obama phone, the Obama phone True Connect. Um, the, and then I'll double check again. It's higher. Guys been in the car for a while. Tell these Jasmines by Takamine though, they're pretty good guitars. Okay. Now that sounds right. See, when you know the for release theme, you base it on that when you're trying to tune one note to the other. Think of that tune. This guy named Aaron in college, high school, taught me that trick at first. Got a lot of musician friends. They say that a drummer is a guy who hangs out with musicians. I was a drummer. When I'm rushing, I'm not as careful, and I'm having my own thoughts. It affects my ear. I believe it affects my echoic memory in my ear. But then again, what do I know? I'm just some guy who hangs out with musicians, a drummer, an ex-drummer. When I was playing with drums with my dad and my family. Now, my family never knew how to sell their own things. My dad sold his other people's stuff very well for a while. I wanted to sell my own stuff. I'm still trying to sell it in Los Angeles area. If you want to buy some of my own stuff, let me know. There's this woman that used to make fun of me too. That Diane, her name, first name is. She when I said "let me know" on the internet, I never really understood the joke. Maybe she'll let me know someday what she meant, why she thought "let me know" was so funny. People looking at me over there, so I feel kind of weird. I am not gonna at this time more details about my exact location for in order to prevent some unwanted some possibly give ice more work. You never know. You never know. I don't know. I think they're busy enough, really going after the bad guys. But you know, if they can, if they check it out, this is this is just the spot where I chilled on occasion, and there are people from other countries here. There's a lot of Americans. There's some Americans here too, so it should be a safe spot. No need to build a wall around it or anything like that. I believe. Yes, this is not in tune at all. There we go. We'll get more into it. We'll get more in tune. We'll get more into it. That sounds better. That sounds good. I gotta practice some leads. You know, stand up for that. See some leads. You know, we got the Johnny B. Good. Like that was one of the ones that I most more impressive. It's faster than that, but unfortunately, my old age. not feel so strange. Something like that. That's pretty good. Pretty good. I like that.